Alright, so here is my Printrbot Simple. Just came in the other day. Let's see how far I can get in setting it up. Okay, so I've got some linear bearings put in here, zip tied down. I've got the rods in there to make sure they're lined up. I haven't cut these zip ties yet. I've just got them snug for now. I don't want to tighten them down too far in case I need to adjust them later. Alright, so that was pretty damn hard. I got these dinky little 10mm M2 screws. There's a few more. And I've got this super crappy Allen wrench set. So that took some doing, but let's see. That guy's on there pretty sturdy. Right, so we skipped ahead a little bit. We've got the end stop here. It's just a simple little lever and button. And we've got the motor, Z-axis, I believe. And we got it all screwed in there, looking pretty good. Next step, we're gonna glue this sandpaper onto this vinyl tubing. So the instructions said, oh, position it carefully because the glue dries so quick. Well, not my glue, because this damn sandpaper is kind of coming off. But I've already got it ratcheted down with the zip tie. I've already got everything screwed in, so I'm just going to kind of hope that it's okay. Wow. Goddamn, that was hard. So I just fit these two little guys together. And you can see it's got these bosses here that fit in there. Let's see if I can focus. And yeah, they weren't fitting easily. I mean, obviously it's supposed to be tight. And at first I kind of scraped off the corners with my X-Acto knife. And that was kind of worrying me because I'm new to all this stuff, so I didn't know how dangerous that was, if I was going to totally destroy everything. Then I remembered I've got my trusty Mjolnir here. So I just started pounding on it, and that was also worrying me because, I mean, that's a pretty small little wall there. But it went down, it went in, and that wasn't too hard. The hard part was getting these damn nuts in here, which surprised me because I'm gonna have to put in a lot of those. And if these two took me like 15 minutes, then I might be in trouble here because, man, they do not fit in there easily. You really got to shove them in there, and I was using these scissors as a little prop to slam them in there, and yeah, that was pretty tough. So I don't know, we'll see. Does it look like a printer yet? Alright. We've connected the X-axis with the Z-axis. It's looking pretty sturdy now. Hope I did everything right so far. One thing I'm a little worried about is that this motor isn't quite sitting level in there. It was, I think this side was a lot tighter than this side, so it may not have gone in quite straight, although I don't think that's super important because that's just, whoa, what was that noise? I think that might have been one of those zip ties. That's just controlling this guy, and it doesn't matter if it's skewed in that plane, I don't think. Okay, so I think I'm going to take a break for the night right here. Next step is to put this onto here, roughly like so. It's got 1,000 little bosses to jam in, so that's going to be pretty tricky, I think. This is the power adapter right there. And I think it's coming along pretty good, so see if I can make some good progress on it tomorrow.